Hey everyone! I would like to share about my wellness routine that I will not miss every single day. So every morning I do these 4 oils and it's called the Great Day Protocol. Okay? So step 1 is Valor. Step 2 is Harmony. Step 3 is Joy. And step 4 is White Angelica. So make sure you have these 4 oils, okay? So this is how you have a great day. So your Valor could come in a 5ml bottle or you could use a roller as well, okay? So step 1, roll it on your inner wrist. Can you see? And hold your other wrist to this inner wrist, okay? So this is called the Valor hold. And you can hold this and affirm, I am grounded and I am rooted, okay? And I am courageous. So imagine that, and you can imagine yourself grounded, having roots growing into the earth. So that's how you use this oil. And don't forget to also inhale some of it. It's got an amazing smell. Okay, so that's step 1 to help you ground. And step 2, harmony. So put 2 or 3 drops in your palm. And don't forget to always activate your oils 3 times in your palm. So this one goes on your solar plexus, which is here, your belly. So this is where I would advise you to use your oils before you get dressed if you don't want to stain your clothes. Because today I'm wearing a white top, so I'm probably not going to put it on right now, but I'll just tell you this is where you will be putting it. So for harmony, you can say, I am in harmony with the flow of life. Okay, so imagine yourself being completely aligned for the rest of the day. This is what beautiful harmony can do for us. It smells so amazing. I love this. Okay, so step 3 is your joy. So joy resonates with your heart. So that's exactly where we'll put it. Okay, so activate your oils, inhale them, enjoy the smell, and then put it on your heart center. So this is where you put joy. So once again, you can affirm, I am in perfect joy. I am aligned with everything that makes me happy, and think of joyful, loving thoughts. Okay, so that's joy. And then finally, White Angelica, my favorite oil that anyone can use. It's so useful for protection. Before going out, be sure to do this. And this is a great oil because you will put this everywhere, okay, from top to toe. Put it everywhere, sweep it over your hair. I love doing this because for your hair, it also acts as a diffuser. Once you put it in, the rest of the day you'll be able to smell it, and it smells amazing. So remember to sweep over your shoulders, down your front, and down the back as well, down your back, okay, everywhere. Okay, so you can also inhale, and as you inhale, imagine yourself in a beautiful protective bubble surrounding you in your energetic field, and you can affirm, I am safe and protected for the whole day. Okay, so that's the Great Day Protocol with 4 different oils. Make sure you get these amazing 4 oils that Gary has created for us to have a great day.